It's considered the San Francisco North Bay's more approachable wine country, a region of rolling vineyards, family-run wineries, and relaxed feel that sits in contrast to neighboring Napa's more opulent offerings. Stroll the leafy plaza of Sonoma City, where you'll find a range of art galleries, tasting rooms, and delicious eateries, or spend the day sipping vino at homegrown wineries like Balletto Vineyards, known for its cool climate wines like Chardonnay and Pinot Noir, and Larson Family Winery, featuring its own bocce court. Hot air ballooning over the vineyards is a popular Sonoma pastime, or pay a visit to Safari West, a 400-acre private wildlife reserve in Sonoma Serengeti where you can safari among hundreds of animals that include cheetahs, hyenas, lemurs, and wildebeest. Plan a tubing trip along the Russian River from the quirky town of Guerneville, enjoy a dinner to remember in Healdsburg, or visit Snoopy and his friends at Santa Rosa's Charles M. Schulz Museum and Research Center, home to the world's largest collection of Peanuts comic strips. Getting there, the town of Sonoma is approximately 44 miles north of San Francisco. Car is the easiest way to reach and explore the area, though Golden Gate Transit runs buses throughout Sonoma County as well. Travel tip: one of the best times of year to visit is in autumn, when Sonoma's annual grape harvest is in full swing. Celebrations during this time run the gamut from grape stomping events to the two-day Sonoma Harvest Museum Festival, with performers like Lauryn Hill and Death Cab for Cutie.